Hello, and welcome to another Madman restoration video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made a protective pad for my dining room table. If you're lucky when you received your vintage table, you already had protective pads or possibly glass. But most of us are not as fortunate and are looking for ways to protect our tables. And I want to show you the solution I came up with. If you know me, you shouldn't be surprised that I have an Elaine & Claim dining room table. This is one of my favorite pieces that I own, and the color is completely original. The only thing I did was add a protective coat of gloss lacquer a couple years ago. To start, I went down to my local box store and got vinyl sheet flooring. They usually have this in the big rolls all the way in the back, and I just got the cheapest pattern that was available since we won't be seeing it. First thing I did is roll out the vinyl flooring, and I'm going to use a pencil to outline from the bottom. Next, I cut the excess vinyl flooring. Then I took the vinyl flooring off the table and flipped it around, and started cutting on a line I created. After I finished cutting, I laid it back on the table to check my measurements. I was happy the way it came out. It was big enough with just a little overhang to protect the edges. Next it's time to attach the velvet with the self-adhesive on the back. I slowly rolled it out and pressed my hands across it to make sure there was no air bubbles. Then I trimmed the excess off, and that's pretty much it. Now here it is, all finished on my table. Obviously I won't be using it as is, I will be putting a tablecloth on top, and I found the first tablecloth just to give you an idea. Storing it is pretty simple. I simply take the tablecloth off and roll up the table pad, and I just leave it in my laundry closet. This is a very budget-friendly modification that most people can do to help protect their mid-century tables. I've been using it for almost a year now, and it has served its job pretty well. Please like, subscribe, and continue following for more mid-century modern renovations.